So I'm making this first video for this channel. So first of all, the journey for study abroad starts from your class ninth. Yes, this is a very myth that your journey starts after you completing your 12th class. But as far as I have experienced, different candidates and students come to me for the counseling. They choose the wrong subjects, they don't know where to go, and they get into the wrong course even in the future, and they get their visa refusals because of this. So the first and foremost step for starting your study abroad journey is to select the correct subject in your 11th and 12th, and that journey will start from ninth class. This video is for all the parents. They can analyze their student, their kids, their siblings, and they can see where is their student or their child interest is. For example, there is a student named Amit. Amit is very good in maths, but Amit is not very good in other subjects. So their parents can have this observation, and they can go to any counselor, or they can see that where he can go if he is good in maths but not in other subjects, right? And there is also another student, Ramesh, but he's not good in maths but he's good in all other subjects. So what they should do, what stream they should select in their 11th or 12th. So for example, if we talk about Amit, who is good in maths, so those students who are good in maths, they should definitely select maths in their 11th and 12th stream. And with the maths, they can in future go in very streams which includes analytical skills, which include problem solving skills. For example, students can go in the information technology field or the computer field. So from the ninth, if you know that your future is in computers field, or you want to make your career in computer, you can start taking your studies seriously, and you can also do some online courses or some crash courses or some basic computer skills you can gain, which can help you in your future career, which can help you in your college study. If you are going to be a computer engineer in the future, if you know that, and in the class 9th, you can learn the basic skills, you can learn Microsoft Word, you can learn the basic computer, so that the word should not be new for you. So that is why I always said that the journey of study abroad is not starting from completion of 12th, it can be started from ninth class only. And same for the other student whose math is not good. So if we talk about the other student who is not good in maths, but he can be good in the language skills. So if he is good in language skill, his parents can motivate him to learn additional languages. He can learn the French, he can learn the German, he can learn any additional language which can help him in the future for his career. So every student has different, so every student has different requirement, different set of skills, and different careers. So we can analyze individually per student, and according to their needs, according to their caliber, according to their capability, according to their interest, we can choose their future course or their future career, and we can start this activity in the beginning from the ninth or 10th class. And if you become serious in your ninth and 10th class, you can even able to get good grades in your 10th. And point to be noted that the 10th grades are really valuable when you are applying for study abroad for any country. Your 10th examination and 12th examination are the most important examinations which matters a lot. So for this video, I would recommend all the students who are in ninth or 10th or in 8th, they can start analyzing themselves, their parents can start analyzing, and they can doing those activities in which they are interested in, and they can find out themselves. Even if a student who is good in maths, it doesn't mean that he can be interested in math. He can be interested in some engineering activity, he can be interested in electronic devices, he can be interested in some civil engineering or anything, in making buildings and anything. You should start researching the things starting from your ninth class. So this is all for today's video. So here I discussed that you can start your study abroad journey from your ninth class, and you should select your subjects and streams very carefully in your 10th and 11th and 12th. Only then your dream to go to any country can be fulfilled. Stay tuned for more updates. For any queries, you can contact me and ask any question. Thank you so much.